What's up guys, my name is Kevin Murray and today I'll be talking about the power of compounding and the benefits of being just a long-term investor if it's in real estate, the stock market, or even cryptocurrency. And I went on Google and typed in compound interest calculator, and you could just play around with the numbers and see like how much like money could grow for you if you start investing at a young age, specifically in the market. Let's say you start out with $1,000 and you could make that $1,000 from your part-time job, full-time job. Like you only put $100 into your brokerage account each and every single month for 30 years. And we could say the estimated interest rate is 8%. And on average, the market returns about 6 to 8% historically on average each and every single year. And most people could be a multimillionaire by just investing in VTI or VU, which is an S&P 500 index, and just cost averaging up $100 per month for the rest of your life, which sounds like really simple. And it's not like a Ponzi scheme or anything. And we could do, if we calculate it, in 30 years, you will have over $146,000. And you can look at it. Your principal would be $37,000, but with the interest compounded, power compounding over 30 years, at the end of it, you'll be increasing your net worth to $146,000. And this is really small numbers if you kind of like play around with it. If I start with $10,000, maybe we just put $300. If you have a full-time job, go to college and get your 4-year degree, this is possible. And we do the same thing, investing into an index fund like the S&P 500, like VU or VTI. And we do the same calculation. Wow, I have over $500,000 compounded over the 30 years. I put in over 100K into the market and it returns over $500,000. And we could do another calculation, like why not increase it? We start with 10,000, but we put 1,000 in. Calculate the numbers, $1.46 million. And you can look, I only put $370,000 into the market and it returned $1.46 million over 30 years. And see, like the power compounding won't take an effect early on, but year 14, 16, that's where you see drastically. That's where I'm making that compounding money. Like the more you have of it, the more it's gonna grow. That's why like it's all about just kind of like building that habit of investing early. That's why like a lot of people kind of I learned from people that are double my age are saying I should have invested earlier because of this, of how much future value of money or money compounded is working for them. That's why I kind of like take financial literacy seriously. And when you're younger, you could take more risk in the market. And index fund investing is very conservative investing. And like if you take the time and you pick individual companies that are undervalued, you can make 2x to 3x as much. Kind of I'm aiming for 15 to 20% return each and every single year on average in the grand scheme of things. It's all about the grind and the work and your mindset. Surrounding yourself with like-minded people that invest for the long term. Knowing how valuations make sense and all that stuff. That's what like I'm really into. And you could do the same thing with real estate. Real estate's more slower growth, 1 to 2% per year, but you get cash flow and you get your tenants paying for your mortgages. I see with crypto, you could be a multi-millionaire in the next 15 to 20 years, or you could be zero. I don't think it's gonna be an in-between. It's high risk, high reward in a sense. But we could say cryptocurrency could be the future with a blockchain, decentralization, and more institutional investors are adopting it to it. It shows like the power of compounding, making passive income, not being reliant on your 9 to 5 job. Thank you for watching and peace out.